On average, only 24% of people are prepared for disasters. Hurricane season begins yearly on June 1st. The executive director at Red Cross says it's not too late to start preparing.
Readiness is having the understanding of what you or your family may need. For example, as I'm standing here, this is a backpack that would be something that you would prepare for one person. So you're going to be ready for the items that you need. Right here, we have a kit that is designed for a family. So you're going to make sure that you have the items that you and your family would need in case of a disaster.
Here's a good example of what you should have in your kit.
Water. You want to make sure that you have food to eat. You want to make sure you have a flashlight, a first aid kit. If you use canned foods, which we recommend, either make sure it has a pop top or make sure you pack a can opener.
Now let's go shopping. All right, so a few items you'll need for your hurricane preparedness kit is something such as a flashlight. And even too, look, there is a weather radio. And we're gonna add both of those things to the cart here. And we're off to the next thing. All right, now we're headed on the next aisle. So the most important things you'll need on this aisle, they have paper towels, trash bags, gloves, and oh look, they have hand sanitizer, wipes. Any of those sanitary items, we're definitely going to add those to the cart too. From preparing your personal and family kits, Bryce Peta says many people come into a local hardware store with questions.
What do I do? How do I prepare for this? What do I need to make sure that I get through this without too much property damage?
PETA even gives you a tip on how to prepare your home before the storm.
Put tape over the windows in like an X shape, because if a hurricane blows in your window, you don't want glass blowing around your house.
Making a trip to your local hardware store could help you get a head start on cleaning up after the storm. These tips may sound simple to some, but they can make a big difference to protect you and your family in the case of severe weather.
You don't want the storm to hit and then you have to think of all the things that you need. So if you have your kit ready, when it's time for you to evacuate, all you do is grab the kit and you go.